Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and right now I will be listening to the new song Drop by Sai Abhyankar and Sai Smriti. So the song is called Veeri Vikura, and this song it released a couple of days back, but they had just released the audio, and that's why it never popped up in my recommendation for some reason. But now they have recently released a Tamil lyric video. That's what it says. So it does not have the translation yet. I am not sure if they are going to release a music video for this or not, but I recently asked in my Instagram what are the pending songs, like what are the reactions that you want me to do, and then there I saw that Sai Abhyankar's new song has dropped. I was not even aware of it. Then I searched for it and I realized that they have dropped a lyric video. So instead of the audio, obviously I'm gonna watch the lyric video. But yet, I do not know what this song would mean because there are no translations. Anyway, let's listen to the song right away. A Sai Abhyankar musical. Veeri Vikura. Adesh Mishra. Okay. It's a romantic song. I love this beat. It's beautiful. I don't know why I feel there is a little bit of sad undertone in this. Is from the music and the composition. I'm feeling that. I could be totally wrong. I like the build up. Oh, I think it makes the ending when it starts again, like the two different lines, two different verses colliding together. That was nice. like this. Like it can sound messy if you don't do it right, but here it sounds so clean. Like you can distinctly hear those two lines together. Oh, that's cool. I mean, I'm sure it's a pure and pure romantic song, though in few instances I just thought because of the music that it might have some longing or sad elements in it as well. So yeah, but this was beautiful. Okay, that was beautiful. I love a good romantic song, but I think I would have enjoyed this even more if I knew what the lyrics were. Though just listening to it sounds amazing, beautiful. But you know, when it comes to a romantic song, it is the emotion through the lyrics that I definitely want to feel, along with the music. The music is beautiful. Actually, it elevates, it builds up, and it actually ends in a high. Though I don't know why, for some reason in my head, I thought that some portions were, sad in terms of maybe the lyrics or anything. But that's just a guess. You guys can let me know in the comments. But again, a very different composition, a very different song from Sai, considering his last song was Sitera Putri. I hope I'm pronouncing that correct. I know I would have messed it up. But that was definitely a very different song. And it was more like a little bit like a dance number, though all his songs, now I understand that Sai is definitely a master in composing romantic numbers in different ways. We start from Kachi Sera, which obviously was the second song of Sai that I had listened to. Asakura being the first one. All have different kind of emotional vibe, and this one, for me, at least by the sound of it, seems the most serious one and the most emotional one. Like, I know Asakura also is a very beautiful, it kind of gives you the butterfly kind of romantic song. But this is not that. This is not going to give you the butterflies. But this is going to make you more emotional. So in terms of emotionality, I feel just from the musical perspective, this is having the most emotional impact. And I think maybe looking at the visuals also, seems like the lyrics are also very, very deep and nuanced. That's what I feel. But obviously, I cannot confirm anything till I read it on my own. And I hope there is a video coming soon for this. I hope. And I love that this whole lyric video had a very cosmic feel in a way, because you see those two together in a movie theater, then they are dancing. But if you see the background, it's all like it's the universe. It's not really a constellation, but it still represents like the galaxy. It, to me at least, it did. And then in a couple of visuals you see different planets. Like, it seemed to me like that. So it has like this very grandiose, universal, cosmic appeal as well. That's why if you listen to the music, it really builds up, and by the end it's like this whole harmony happening, right? So beautiful song. And Sai is an extremely talented composer, extremely talented singer also, but I think as a composer he stands out more to me than as a singer, for sure. And yeah, that was the reaction to the song. Beautiful. And I want to know, what are your thoughts in the comments? Do you think that Sai is able to maintain the kind of expectation that we have from him as a composer, or do you think no, I think he can do better? And I feel that the potential is always there. He's so freaking young. I mean, he has his entire career in front of him, and I think he's in the right direction for as far as I am concerned. But I definitely want to know your thoughts in the comments. And yes, with that I will end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.